Are you gaining weight for no reason, feeling tired all the time, or having stomach problems? Maybe your liver is screaming for help without you even realizing it. Fatty liver disease is more common than you might think and harder to recognize. But how can you recognize the early signs? Today, you will learn 11 early warning signs. We have a factory inside our body that is constantly working and weighs about 1.4 kilograms, the liver. It is not only the heaviest organ in our body, but also one of the most vital. The liver plays 3 different roles at the same time, as a production center, storage, and processing plant. The tasks of the liver are so extensive and complex that life would not be possible without it. One of its most basic functions is to filter the blood in our body. This efficient factory in our body requires constant care and attention. It is vital not to overburden the liver and to protect it from harmful toxins, because if this factory stops, it means that life stops. Fatty liver disease occurs when excess fat accumulates on the liver. Over time, this condition affects the organ's functions and can even cause injury. It can also lead to problems such as inflammation in the liver, abdominal fat, and high blood pressure. Causes of fatty liver include poor lifestyle habits, obesity, diabetes, rapid weight loss, high triglyceride levels, and alcohol consumption. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, keep watching this video. Awareness is everything to protect your health. 1. Abdominal pain or swelling. Patients with fatty liver disease often experience discomfort in the upper right part of their abdomen. A constant pressure or pain in this area can be combined with indigestion and digestive problems. 2. Uncaused weight gain. If you are gaining weight for no reason, you should have your liver checked. Fatty liver can lead to the accumulation of harmful fat. This fat wraps around the organs, blocking blood flow and increasing the risk of heart disease. 3. Right shoulder and neck pain. Although there are no nerve endings in the liver itself, damaged liver can cause pain in other areas. In particular, it can cause pain in the right shoulder and neck. 4. Constant fatigue. Patients with fatty liver disease often feel sluggish and fatigued throughout the day. The liver is the body's energy storage and management center. When it is damaged, it cannot fulfill these functions and your energy level drops. 5. Loss of appetite. Damage to your liver can affect hormone release and lead to loss of appetite. The liver produces cholesterol, which is essential for digestion. Fat accumulation can disrupt this process, causing more serious health problems. 6. Jaundice. When the liver cannot produce enough bile, a waste product called bilirubin builds up and causes yellowing of the skin and eyes. This may indicate that the liver is severely damaged. 7. Reflux disease. Fatty liver disease can lead to reflux, which causes stomach acid to back up into the esophagus. This is usually seen in patients with advanced fatty liver disease. 8. Constant nausea. When the liver cannot filter toxins sufficiently, the waste accumulated in the body can cause nausea. If your nausea does not go away for several days, there may be a problem with your liver. 9. Dark-colored urine. The urine may become darker due to insufficient bile production by the liver. This can also cause itchy skin and light-colored stools. 10. Breast enlargement in men. Dysfunction of the liver can lead to hormonal imbalances in men. High estrogen levels can cause breast tissue to grow in men. 11. Swelling and edema. When the liver is not working properly, fluid accumulates in the body. Swelling can be seen especially in the hands, feet, and legs. If this condition is not treated, it can lead to infection and skin wounds. Conclusion. Protect your liver. Fatty liver is a common disease that can lead to serious consequences if neglected. Recognizing the symptoms early and adopting a healthy lifestyle is one of the most effective ways to prevent this disease. Follow a balanced diet, regular exercise, and detoxification methods to support your liver. Do you experience any of these symptoms? Share in the comments and don't forget to check out our other content for more information about liver health. Remember, the most valuable treasure you have is your health. If you like our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for our new videos.